Good morning to everyone. Today in this presentation, we the group members of group A are going to present a presentation on the topic osmosis, diffusion and its three types of solutions. So before starting the topic, I would like to introduce my group members to you. So the first, I am Rafin Ranjan Saikia, second Christina Rava and Saurabh Deka.
So let's come back to the topic. So today I am going to explain to you about the diffusion. So diffusion is the process in which means the air molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration in the cell to a semi-particle membrane is called diffusion. So diffusion is mainly of exchange of gases in the cell. Basically, it's about a carbon dioxide going from going outside inside the cell and coming outside the cell. So now Raftin will explain about osmosis.
Thank you, Drishti. So what is osmosis? Osmosis is nothing but the water molecules moving from high concentration region to a low concentration region through a selectively permeable membrane. So it has three types of solutions: hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic. So I like to call upon Saurabh Deka to explain us about the hypotonic solution.
Today I am going to start explain about hypotonic. Concentrations of solutions outside the cell is more than inside. The cell, due to this cell gain water, cell swell and maybe burst. So thank you. Next one.
Thank you, Saurabh, to explain us about the hypotonic solution. Now the next solution is isotonic solution. To explain us about the isotonic solution, I like to call upon Christina and Rava.
So as we know that osmosis is the process in which water molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. But in isotonic solution, as we know, it is a part of the osmosis. In isotonic solution means it's a container. If in a container we keep a cell which has the same concentration of water in it, means it's at the same concentration between the two, means if the medium has the same concentration in which cell has it, and the cell has the same concentration of the water into it, it will equal and the cell will not swell or it shrinks. And this solution is known as isotonic solution, where the water molecules didn't move from higher concentration to lower concentration because there is no higher concentration and lower concentration as the concentration is equal between the inside the cell and the medium. So now I want to call Saurabh Deka to explain you about hypertonic solution.
I am going to start about hypertonic solution. Hypertonic concentrations of solutions outside the cell is less than inside the cell. Due to this, cell loses water and shrink. So thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh, to explain us about the hypotonic solution. But we have to know that in which criteria we can use the hypotonic solution or hypertonic solution. So for example, you can I like to call up say about the hypotonic solution. So for example, in our home, in our regular basis, we used to eat many types of food. For example, we can say one raisins, Nutroline, etc. So for example, a raisin is here. 2-3 raisins are here, and if you keep them inside the water, this is a container and this is the water. Then after a few minutes, we can see that the raisins will increase, their size will increase. It means that they will gain the water. It means this happened because the region between the region of the raisin is low then compared to the outer region. Since the outer region has the high concentration region and the region has the low concentration region, so the water molecules will move from the high concentration region to low concentration region through a selectively permeable membrane. So this was our topic. Thank you and have a nice day.